Welcome back for another episode of Behind the Bar with JMac. I'm Emily, and today we're going to make a mint julep, just in time for the Kentucky Derby. For this recipe, you're gonna need some simple syrup, and you can make that ahead of time. All you need to do is take a cup of water and a cup and a quarter of sugar. You're gonna bring it to a boil, and then let it boil for 2 minutes, and then turn it off and just let it cool. Now, we're going to take our glass, and we're gonna take about 4 to 5 leaves of our mint, and you want to make sure your edges are rough and you rough them up a little bit so you can get all that goodness of the mint awake and flavorful. Then you're going to take 1.5 ounces to 2 ounces of your simple syrup and pour that on top, and now you're going to take your muddler and muddle that up. Get all those flavors. Okay, and then you're gonna top with ice and just a splash of ice water. Next is your 2 ounces of bourbon. All right, and there you have it, a mint julep. Cheers.